The Kayapó people are an indigenous group of about 8,600 people living in the Amazon states of Pará and Mato Grosso. They are one of Brazil's largest indigenous groups and hold diverse interactions and activities in connection with the rest of the Brazilian society. In Novo Progresso, the Instituto Kayapó was founded in 2008 in order to help preserve the natural resources in the indigenous territories of the Mekragnoti, a Kayapó subgroup. Their territories are of high importance for all kinds of REDD projects. The REDD mechanism was set up by the international community in order to reward projects that aim to reduce emissions from deforestation by compensation payments. This increases the economic value of existing forests rather than cutting them for their wood. Indigenous people are primarily living on territories that bear high potential for such projects. But REDD negotiations are often based on unequal starting points regarding knowledge on legal terms, the abstract construction of emission certificates, as well as long-term consequences of such projects. Therefore, Carbiocial is betting on participation. A group of young researchers of the German-Brazilian research project Carbiocial offered to measure deep carbon stocks on the territory of the Mekragnoti people. Together with indigenous representatives, several smaller pits of 1.5 metre and one deep pit of 10 metres were dug with the help of a professional well builder. The analysis of the soil samples in the laboratory showed that additional carbon stocks below 1 metre contain around 50% of the total carbon storage. Stocks below 1 metre usually are not being dealt with at REDD negotiations. The Carbiocial researchers could provide robust data sets for fair and more independent negotiation terms for the Kayapó people. During a workshop, the interdisciplinary team discussed the fieldwork, explained the single steps of analysis, and finally handed over the results to the indigenous leaders in order to shed light on the economic, social, and technical aspects of the emission trading system. As a result, the Kayapó people are now equipped with autonomous scientific data, substantiating the high value of their territories in terms of carbon stocks. The discussions were one step to empower them to discuss the threats and opportunities of REDD projects on more equal terms. Both Kayapó and German scientists were actually digging deeper in intercultural and interdisciplinary learning processes.